Hi, this is Heather, who is my amazing food friend. Food friend. You're friend. You're like, she's magical friend. She's very magical. And we are gonna make you the very first cooking in my kitchen video. My new kitchen, although it kind of looks similar to my old kitchen. We just went to the food court and bought lots of amazing vegetables that sang to me. I was like, we need to get him, and we need to get him, and we don't know what we're gonna cook, so we are gonna work out what to cook together. Maybe you can help. What should we cook?
I don't know.
Should we look in the fridge?
We got collard greens and Swiss chard.
Show them the pink. Show them the pink.
They looked pink. That's why we got them.
Look how amazing those are.
They just look pink.
Oh, it's like that pink is gorgeous.
The leeks were calling to me.
Yes.
Let's see what else we get. We got some sauerkraut.
That goes with every meal.
A couple of coconuts, 5 to be exact.
Yeah.
Some beautiful yellow cauliflower, some tomatoes.
Yay!
Did you get that today?
Yep. Mushrooms.
Mushrooms and cucumber and zucchini and ginger and apples.
Ooh, egg pasta. And check this out. This one is organic brown rice flour and organic eggs, and that's it.
We want to have some kind of protein,
Meat.
some kind of green. So we have
Everything in the fridge.
all of it. Collard greens.
And the cauliflower.
Oh, and the cauliflower. Okay.
Structure Spacetime.
Spacetime cauliflower.
Spacetime cauliflower. This. The way you communicate with food is the same way that you communicate with your body,
Okay.
and that is through a feeling.
Okay.
Coconut
Where's
oil.
the coconut oil?
Coconut oil! So when you're buying coconut oil, you want to make sure that it's unrefined. That would be not refined, unrefined. A lot of people might tell you, here you can use it, that salt is bad, and it isn't. It just depends what kind of salt. You don't want to use table salt because that's sodium chloride, and that is not very good for you. But this is Himalayan crystal salt from the Himalayas, and these crystals are natural, unrefined, and unpolluted, and they were formed when these mountains, which were once the seabed, were exposed to the natural elements. The pink colour is a result of the natural processes that have enriched the crystals over time. They have lots and lots of good minerals in that your body absolutely needs, and if it doesn't get it, it craves it. So if you crave salt, that's probably because you're not getting the correct salts.
Okay, so now we're gonna just pop this in the oven until it
cooks. So while Heather is pouring the water for the noodles, I'm going to give you my analogy. This is you. You are a container. There's one version of you, but inside of you, you've got lots and lots and lots of noodles, and they all crisscross and they touch other parts, and they're all like knotted up. Hello, Lee.
Now Laura is attempting to cut.
Okay, so you hold it. You take the hammer and the knife.
You put a dish towel underneath here or under a cutting board so it doesn't slip around.
So now we have the coconut and the coconut water. Chia seeds in the coconut. So now we're getting to the meat, which the meat of the video. Get it? So thanks for watching and sharing in our meal with us. And make sure you sign up on my website, which is laurahainsfranklin.com. laurahainsfranklin.com. Make sure you do my love challenge. Tell me how that goes.
It's a good one.
And your website?
HeatherPierceInc.com. If you haven't already taken the What's Your Clean Personal quiz, that's
Very interesting.
Bye!
Bye.